Hi, fourth graders, Miss Posk here, and today we are going to be learning how to summarize. Okay, and we've already kind of done this year, but it's been a while, so we figured it would be a really good time to kind of reflect on how to summarize. We do a lot of this in reading workshop, we do a lot of this in writing, so today we are going to review what a summary is and how are we going to summarize. So, our goal is being able to summarize a text using sentence frames to help understand what we are reading. Okay, so let's talk about summarizing for a second. So, when we summarize, it means that we're going to put something all together. We're going to put the pieces together. We're going to take this information that we have um, from our story and we're going to put it all together into one summary. Okay. When we summarize, we talk about the most important events that we learned and we explain why that they're important in just a few short sentences here. Okay. Um, and what this is pretty much is what I'm going to explain to you right here. Okay. So, your task for today, you are going to be summarizing the article that we've been really looking at this week, calling Celebrating Memorial Day from ReadWorks. Okay. Your summary should be 6 sentences long. Please continue writing your summary on this document and then you will be submitting it on your Google Classrooms. Okay. So you're going to be using this one document to write your summary. If you prefer to write it on pencil and paper, you may do that and you can send your teacher the picture of your written summary. Okay, but I provided this document so it may be easy for you to type using the sentence frames. If you want to write it down with a pencil and paper, go for it. Okay, just make sure you send it to us so we can see your hard work. All right, and in those summaries, we're going to be using vocabulary from yesterday's lesson to strengthen it, okay, to make it better. All right, because when we learn about vocabulary, we do it for a reason, right? We do it to really get a sense of what the story's about. And now that we learned a lot of vocabulary yesterday, you can use some of that in your summary to help understand what you're writing about. Okay. And in your summary, this is how it's going to go. Okay. So you're going to have a first sentence, and this is your stem for your first sentence. You can get it from your gist statement, okay? You can get it from what you've already learned about Memorial Day, okay? So you're just going to simply define Memorial Day. You're going to tell me what it is and what it's about. Memorial Day is blank, okay? And you're going to type that or write that. The next couple of sentences, so sentences 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the next 4 sentences, you're going to pick 4 of these frames to help you. Okay. So you're going to pick 4 of these. Okay. They can be 4 different ones. You can do 2 and 2. It doesn't matter. Just pick 4 of these and write 4 different sentences about what you learned in the article. One important thing I learned about Memorial Day is, and then you would write what you learned. Another important fact is blank. Then you would write another important fact. Can you believe that? Blank. So it's like you're asking your reader a question. Wow, can you believe that, so and so, happened on Memorial Day? Something like that. Something that is in the ReadWork article. I found out that blank. So something new that maybe you found out while reading the ReadWorks. Did you know blank? So, like, you're asking your reader a question about something you learned from the article. It was so interesting to learn blank. Okay, so you would pick something that was interesting to you that you learned from reading. All right. And after those 4 sentences are done, so you should have 5 sentences at this point. And now we're going to look at our last sixth concluding sentence. So we're going to come up with that conclusion, that strong ending, to wrap up your um, reading. Okay. Now you know blank. As you can see, blank. In conclusion, blank. All right. And my class, especially, I'm going to add this one, if you would like to learn more about Memorial Day, you can blank. Okay. My class, this was a favorite. If you would like to learn more about Memorial Day, you can check out your local library. You can go on the internet. You can read books. Okay. You can look up more things online about Memorial Day, or you can ask a friend, ask a teacher. Okay. So that's something interesting that you can end your summary with as well. So here's the fun part now. Here's where you're going to start writing. Okay, I put your name, today's date. You're going to work in this document. And in this document, it's helpful to work in because your sentence frames are already here for you. So if you forget, oh, my first sentence, this is what I'm going to put. Memorial Day is. I'm going to start typing. Memorial Day is blank. Okay, so you're going to start typing from the text here. Memorial Day is when blah 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 blah. Okay? You are going to start typing into that. Okay? And then you're going to put a period and then you're going to start your next sentence. Notice how each and every one of my sentences start with a capital letter and I end with a period. Please make sure you do that and please make sure you take your time on this, okay? You will be getting points on this. So I hope that I see some great summaries. And then when you're done, you can just submit, or if you're writing your summary, you can take a picture and send it to us. Okay? I hope this helped and happy summarizing, happy writing, everybody. Bye.